Here's a water feature that was done by Oasis Aquatic Services about 12 years ago. We lost the client for many years and just recently acquired them back. The system had not been running for 2 years. They wanted to get it up and running again, and they were very happy to be reacquainted with the original installer, as they hadn't been happy with the service they were getting. We came in, 6 hours later the system was running again. Goes underneath the bridge here. Beautiful water feature. I was rather impressed with myself that we did such quality work 12 years ago, and that the system only needed minor repairs after all that time. Very happy to have this water feature back. The water disappears here into a glory hole, what we call a glory hole, and it goes under this patio, down these stairs, and is released into this lower water feature, an extension of the upper water feature. And that water is coming underneath this rock. Don't know if we can see it here, but that's where it's coming from. This water feature on the lower portion has its own little waterfall fed with a different feed from the pump housing. Wonderful system. It's got a skimmer hiding back in there in those rocks. 12 years ago we were using Stay Right swimming pool skimmers. There was really nothing for the industry yet. Aquascapes was just coming out with their first, or shall I say Pond Sweep, was just coming out with their first industry specific skimmers at that point, so we were still using swimming pool technology. Nowadays we have wonderful brands like the Helix Pond Skimmer, Savio, Atlantic, Pond Builder, Aquascapes. They're all building specific skimmers. I'm going to go back up here and look at the top water feature one more time. Nice concrete install. We actually did this in concrete, not gunite, not shotcrete, so it took a lot longer to complete than if we had done it in shotcrete. Oasis Aquatic Services.